Alright, today we have a Lego city project, the Artic Helicrane. And this is for 6 to 12 year olds. This is Lego kit 60034. And Evan, what do you think about this kit?
I know how to spell Legos. It's L-E-G-O, Legos.
Very good. What do you think about this kit? What do you like about it?
Because you save people.
They save people. That is a great reason to like it. Is there anything particular you like about this kit besides it that it saves people?
Because it says Legos.
Because it says Legos. So all it has to be is Legos and you love it, huh?
Yeah. Oh, because I love this. And it finds every ice and people.
Oh, it finds all the people stuck in the ice?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think this will be easy or hard?
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. There's 262 pieces, so we'll see how this one goes. I think you'll like it. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
All right, have fun. So it looks like you're done, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you like this set?
Yeah.
What did you like about building this one?
By putting on the propeller on the helicopter.
The rear propeller?
Yeah.
And what was the hardest part?
Putting the hook on and putting the hook on and putting the hook inside.
Yeah, because there's a hook there and it hooks onto what?
The cargo container.
The cargo container? What goes in the cargo container?
This.
Oh, because it looks like the dogs and the female explorer down there found some stuff, huh?
Yeah.
And where does it go?
In here.
Can you put it in there?
Then can I lift this up?
Yeah, I'm gonna help. So we lift this up, right?
Right there.
And where's the hook? You can just bring the hook down just like this, right?
Daddy, I want to hold it.
Okay.
Go down.
So it hooks on to the cargo container.
A little bit more.
And it hooks on. And the helicopter's flying.
But Dad, I have to hook it up.
We'll make it hook. So you hoist it up, huh?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Then.
So it looks like you can do it on both sides here until it comes, oops, all the way up.
Then
Stays
it
into place.
Then.
So that's pretty cool, right?
Yeah. Then, and guess what? Then they need one of these.
Yeah.
Then they need this.
And what goes in there? Oh, it's your tools?
Yeah, and guess what? You need this to crack it open. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding.
Very
Break,
cool.
break, break.
So you got all the tools for the Explorer that you need. You've got the dogs to help pull the sled
And
through
I
the
need
snow.
this. And you do this. Guys, you need this to take it off. And look, you need that. And that wasn't it. Ugh.
So you use that tool to open it up?
Yeah, and look. Gold!
Oh, that is so cool.
Then you get gold. Then you run away.
So would you build this kit again?
Never, ever.
Because you just like building new ones, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Can you tell everyone bye and thank you for watching?
Bye. Thank you for watching. And guess what? I have to tell you a video. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe, please.